Here's Zion. He really likes his bears. He smiled right away when I turned him on today. You like your Bearmobile? And you're tired.
You're tired.
Yeah, he was yawning. There's Petra.
I had 2 babies. I had 2 babies.
You have 2 babies. What are you going to do with your babies? You don't know?
I thought that hold them.
Oh, you're just going to hold them. That's a good idea.